Hello everyone, welcome to Get Java. So in this video we will be seeing how to write a first Java program. But before writing a Java program we need to install Java software. So I have written the steps to install Java software. So first step is download Java Development Kit. What is a Java Development Kit, which is also known as JDK? JDK is nothing but it consists of all the tools which you will be needing for writing the code, compiling the code and executing the code. For downloading JDK we need to go into your browser, type download Java. Now here you have to go to Oracle's website. Here you can see JDK 24, which is the latest Java version available. So it is available for platforms like Linux, Mac, Windows. So whichever platform you are using, you need to download the installer from here. So in case you are using Linux, you can go for one of the Debian packages. In case of Mac, you can go for DJM installer. Since I am using Windows, I'll be going for this x64 installer. Just download it. The download has started. I'll wait for it to complete. So here you can see my download has completed. I have the installer. I can just double click on this. So it will ask for permission. Once you give the permission, the installer will start. Yeah. So the setup has started. You have to just click next. Here it is asking at what path it should install Java files. So I have given the default path, which is in C directory, program file Java, and it will create a JDK 24 directory. Here it will install all the files related to Java. So it has started installing the files. It will take some time. So let's wait till it finishes installing all the files. So as you can see, the setup is complete. Installation is successfully done. So just click on close. Now you can verify those files by going into the location inside program files, Java. Here you can see JDK 24. Since I have installed JDK 18 1.8, I'm having these directories. If you have not installed it, you will be having only JDK 24. So once you go inside this, you can see inside bin you can see the tools which we have already discussed in our previous videos, like you can see Java C, then Java. So these tools we will be using while writing our code. So the software is installed. Now you know the location of the software, but we have to tell Windows where this software is located. For that we need to set the environment variables. So in my slide I have written the third point as set environment variables. Setting environment variable is nothing but telling your machine that where these files are located. So for setting the environment variables, click on start search and search for environment variables. So here you can see edit the system environment variables. Here inside advanced tab you can go on environment variable tab. Inside this, suppose I have already configure Java home. If you are not having this, you suppose if you are doing for the first time, you won't be having this Java home. So I'll delete it and I'll show you again. So I don't have it now. Now just click new. You have to give Java home variable name. Variable value will be path of your JDK. So you have to copy till JDK 24 and paste it here and do OK. Now Java home variable is set, so all the Java files are located in this location. Now you have to set path to all your tools like Java, Javac, it's inside bin. So this path also we have to configure. So first configuring that, you need to click on this path variable parameter. Just double click in here. So I have already configured. I will just remove it and I'll show you again. Just click on new. Inside this new, you have to copy this location. So this time I'm copying till bin. Click on new, paste, OK, again OK, OK. Now you have installed your Java software. Now we have to verify whether it is installed properly or not. For doing that, just open your command prompt. Inside the command prompt, you have to type Java --version. See, I am able to see Java 24, means it is installed properly. Again, for compiler also you can check Java C --version. So you are able to see Java C 24.0.1. So this is the Java version we have installed. That means our software is installed properly and our Windows is able to find that software as we have set the environment variables. So now we have installed our Java software and our development environment is ready. So we will start writing our first program. For writing the first program, I'll be using Notepad. So I'll open Notepad. Yeah, so we will be writing our first program to print hello world. So start writing it. Public class first program is the name of the class. So again, we'll be discussing what all these mean: class, object, methods. We will be seeing in the upcoming videos, but as of now I will just show you how to print hello world. Public static void main. So this is the method. It will take string array argument. So you have to close and open the curly braces, and here we will be writing system.out.println hello world. So in this program I'm just showing you how to compile the program into bytecode and how to execute it. What these things mean: this public is access modifier, and what is the meaning of class, what is the meaning of static void. These are return types. So these all things we will be seeing in the upcoming videos. The purpose of this program is to show how how we can compile the Java code and how we will execute it, as we have seen in a previous video. So I have written the program. I need to save it. So I'll save it. I have created a Java folder. Here I'll save it. I'll keep the name as first program. And extension will be .java, as we have seen in a previous video. Like all the Java files should be with .java extension. So I will save this file. Now I have saved this file. You can go to that folder here. Now this is a Java file. I want to first compile it. So I will open my command prompt from here. Okay. So for compiling, we have seen in a previous video, we have to use a command called java c first program.java. So you should be in the same location. So your file is present in this location, C user issue java. So you have to be in the same location. So for going to the same location, you can simply come here and you can type it cmd and you will get the command line at that location. Simply type java c, the name of the file. You can press tab, it will autocomplete, and just execute. See, now I did not get any error. So once you go to the same location, here you can see .class file got generated. Since I did not have any error inside my file, it has compiled the code and generated .class file. So basically .class file is nothing but bytecode. We can see how it looks. We can open this file. So here you can see we can't understand anything, just a few things we can understand, hello world, but most of the things it's in bytecode, so you will not be able to understand. So this is the intermediate code. Now I want to execute this bytecode into our machine. So as we have seen in a previous video, for executing this code we will be using command java and just the name of the file. We don't have to put any extension. So see, I got the message hello world. So you have successfully written your first Java program. So now again we will go to the code. So few things are important here. If you are using public, if you are using this keyword, the name of your file and name of the class should match. So my file name is firstprogram.java and my class name is firstprogram. It should match. If you are giving some other name, suppose I am giving some other name, suppose this is my .java file. If I am renaming it to test and you will try to compile it, java c test.java, it will not compile. It will give error like should be declared in a file name firstprogram.java. So if you are using the keyword like public, your file name and your class name should be same. But if you are not using public, then your file name and class name can differ. So I am saving it. Again I will go and I will try to compile it. So this time it got compiled, but the class file which is generated will always be with the name of the class name. So inside this test file also my class name is first program. So the class file will be generated by first program only. So you can execute, it will work. So the takeaway from this is like if you are using public, your class name and your file name should match always. So generally it is a good practice to keep your class name and file name same. So you should always try to follow this naming convention. Now I will try to compile. So it is working. So it is working perfectly fine. Now again one scenario we can see is, as I said, the compiler will try to compile, and if you had made any mistakes inside your code, it will prompt you. So suppose I am making this s smaller and I am saving it, and I will try to compile it again. See, it is giving error. Package system does not exist. So since you have written this s in smaller case, it is giving error. So the compiler will check for your mistakes and it will let you know. So again I will open this. I will make it capital Save it, try to compile it. It is working perfectly fine. Yes, so we have completed our first program. We have seen how to download the JDK, how to set environment variables, and how to convert our code into bytecode and execute that code. One more thing, this class file, which is nothing but bytecode, you can share it to anyone using different platform like Linux or Mac, and it will work perfectly fine. So this class file, which is nothing but bytecode, makes Java platform independent, as we have discussed in our previous video. Also, regarding this public, which is nothing but access modifier, what is a class, what is void, which is return type, these all things we will be seeing in our upcoming videos. This was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any issues, you can mention in the comment section. Till then, see you. Thank you.